Hey, doesn't my hair look amazing? Well, it does to me, okay? And let me tell you how I figured it all out. Let's get you a personalized hair specialist to get you your dream hair. I'll show you how I did it step by step in this video so that by the end of it, you can do too. Hey guys, this is Rashi. I recently used ChatGPT to figure out my hair care routine for me, and my hair feels better than ever before. I use ChatGPT's deep research tool for this. Deep research is like a mode that when you turn it on, it becomes this PhD researcher for you, which creates a detailed report on whatever you ask. And it does this within minutes, which would ideally take an average person even days or even weeks to accomplish. So, first, for starters, in a new chat, you want to use the search tool and a reasoning model so that the model can think through your requirements clearly while it searches for the right product. You want to mention the shampoo you currently use, your hair type, other requirements that you might have, like using something organic, and your geography. It would give you some options. Here, you want to assess if it is giving you the type of products that you might like. If not, ask it to give you a larger list based on your criteria. Once it does give you a larger list, you want to give it some feedback. Like, it should be for your oily scalp, or if it should, say, for example, not have harsh chemicals, and ask it to remove those, the ones that you do not want. Once you get a list back that you are comfortable with, tell it to exhaustively search for each and every ingredient in those products. If you're looking for something organic like me, ask it to check if they have any chemicals or anything apart from the stuff that you absolutely require to wash your hair. Here you will get this brilliant list and analysis of all ingredients. It's great to find out what is it exactly that you're putting in your hair, what's good, what's bad, and what is okay. For example, if not harsh chemicals, you can find out if there are any preservatives, etc. And based on what you're okay with, you can give it some feedback in your next step. That is when we go into deep research mode, finally. Now that you finally have a good list to pick from, you can ask deep research, which is this button here, to pick the right one for you. Ask your PhD research assistant to be critical and figure out which one is the best for your scalp. If organic is the deal breaker for you, now is the time to emphasize over it again. Once you have that, your personal PhD researcher slash hair specialist will ask you for some questions so that it is set up for success for the task it has been assigned. You want to answer these simple questions and hit send. It'll then sort of go out for like a few minutes and create a detailed, amazing report for you. So it thought for, I think, 7 minutes, almost 7 minutes. And once it's back, it'll be ready with a commentary on the pros and the cons on all the products it had suggested earlier. And finally, it'll tell you one product which will rule them all. Even with the suggested answer, it'll tell you why it's good and what are some of the drawbacks that it may have or some trade-offs. You can go ahead and read about all of them and decide for yourself and or keep the conversation going till you come to an answer that you're completely sure about. It's so important to know what we are putting on our bodies and our hair. And with so many products on the market, it can be so difficult to figure out which is the best one. But with so many tools in our hands now, it is ever more easy to make these decisions. I hope this video helped. I'll be covering more the ways in which I use AI every day in my life over here on my YouTube channel and also in our blog. So please make sure to check that out. I'll post the link below in the description. And like this video, leave a comment if this worked for you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I'll see you next time.